You just found the 2018 Honda Accord. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Imagine yourself enfolded in premium style and quality with powerful performance at your fingertips. You can have that and more in the iconic Accord, the bold midsize sedan that never stops striving for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, fog lamps, power driver's seat. It's time you treated yourself to the best. This Honda Accord is waiting. Come in and drive it today.